Hello guys, so this is Ash Kumar and in this video we learn how to change the package name of your builder. So this is not custom package name, that means that you cannot change package name for you cannot change package name for different projects. The package name applies for all projects, not like different packages for different projects. That is not the case. Like it is a one default package which applies for all projects. So let's see how to do it. So first we'll go inside common, then source, then com, then Google, then app inventor, then common, and then here we open utilities and open string utilities.java. And here first we'll head to line 161, and here you see there's things function, and here you may see not this part, you'll see this part uncommented. So if you want to change that, just comment all this part, and then here for added string builder sb is equal to new string builder, and then here I wrote com.akitech. Now if you want to use the user email instead of my akitech, so just backspace this thing and then uncomment this thing, and here whatever it will now do is com dot and what is your email username, and then it will here join to the project package. So for now I want want it to be akitech only, but if you want you can change it here. And now if you don't want the project package to be joined to this, you can also remove it like this. Do not remove the whole function, that will just mess up things like this, and it will only use the package name you applied here. So I also don't want to remove this thing, and here you should not remove this get qualified form name, it is important for the your apk. So that was only thing you need to change for the package name, and then now you just close it, save, and here I close this thing, and then after this you have to open you have to open a command prompt. Mine app inventor is running, but you can first run ant, and after you run ant you can just run your builder, and then run your build server. So after I have already finished it, and here I open it. Now I'll show you, this is my test project which I used to test my project if my package works. So first I made my project package changed, and then here I imported a package utilities extension, then I added a button, two labels, and the blocks added when button click, label 1 text is equal to app name, and it will return the app name of this package, and label 2 is app install. So this is just to confirm that my package is there or not, and when I tested it, it does works. So don't forget to test that out, and if you like the video, then please like, subscribe and comment. Bye.